Hello students, welcome to next topic of chapter Life Processes, which is excretory system. Before we start the chapter, kindly like, share and subscribe for other videos. Excretory system is the system which helps in the removal of harmful, nitrogenous, metabolic wastes from the body. Excretory system of man includes different organs like kidneys which filter out excess water and toxic, water-soluble wastes from the blood. Ureters take urine from kidneys to urinary bladder for temporary storage before its removal. Urinary bladder stores urine temporarily before expelling out. Urethra removes urine from body to outside. The blood enters the kidney through renal artery. It breaks into afferent arteriole and forms primary capillary network known as glomerulus, which is present inside Bowman's capsule. Then from glomerulus arises efferent arteriole, which after coming out of Bowman's capsule forms secondary capillary network around PCT or proximal convoluted tubule. Further blood vessels continue calling around loop of Henle and form another secondary capillary network around DCT or distal convoluted tubule and then leave kidneys as renal vein. Process of urine formation takes place in 3 steps before it is excreted out. 3 different steps are ultrafiltration, tubular reabsorption and tubular secretion. In ultrafiltration, filtration of blood is done under high pressure. Due to high pressure, blood forces out 90% water, salts, glucose, amino acids and nitrogenous waste products from glomerulus into Bowman's capsule, forming filtrate. This filtrate reaches PCT and reabsorption of 99% of filtrate into blood takes place by active or passive transport. Glucose, amino acids, most water and ions are reabsorbed by blood. Rest of the filtrate reaches loop of Henle and DCT where tubular secretion takes place, in which ions are secreted from blood into filtrate to balance pH and electrolytes. Finally, liquid is called urine which is excreted out. Artificial kidney or hemodialyzer is a machine used to filter nitrogenous wastes like urea and extra water from blood when both natural kidneys fail. It works on the principle of diffusion through a semi-permeable membrane with a dialyzing solution. This replaces the kidney's purification function but not its other roles. The impure blood is passed through tubes of dialyzing machine and purified blood is supplied back to the body. Thank you for watching this video till end. Kindly like, share and subscribe for other videos.